you can offer your services on freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork. You can create your own website, you can build your assets. If you want to do Amazon affiliate marketing and SEO for your own websites, you can do this after this course. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Hanan. Viewers, I'm going to launch a course about how to earn money online, and in this course I'm gonna teach you the different ways and the proven strategies to earn money online. In this course we will have a look at the Amazon affiliate marketing, how to earn money through Amazon affiliate marketing, through Google AdSense, and from beginners to advanced. I'm going to start this course. So if you are a beginner and if you don't even know anything about this Amazon affiliate marketing or Google AdSense, this is the right course for you. I'm gonna teach you and share different ways with you from scratch. I'm gonna start this, and in this course what we'll have look at, firstly we will learn complete website setup and manage in WordPress. We will use WordPress to create the website, and I will teach you how to create your website through WordPress, and how to, after creating and set up a website, how to manage that website, and from the next, the most important point. You have created a site, now you know how to manage a website. The next important point is how to rank a website. In this rank a website, I'm gonna in this category I'm gonna share the different ways and the proven strategies to rank a website. Next we will have a look at the content writing plus SEO optimized content writing, how to write content, SEO optimized content, because with the help of SEO optimized content it will be much more easy to rank a website. And even as I have earlier mentioned, I'm gonna start from beginners. If you don't know anything, even you don't know what is domain, how to select a domain, I'm gonna teach you in this course. Niche research, what is niche and how to research, what are the ways, what are the method to do this, and how important is niche research, what is the implementation of this niche research, I'm gonna share with you. Next is selection of products for Amazon affiliate marketing, because there are a number of products on Amazon. So how to select a product for Amazon affiliate marketing, how we know that we need to select this product for Amazon affiliate marketing. Selection of product is very important. Next is SEO, search engine optimization. If you don't know what is SEO, you're gonna learn each and everything. Even you don't know what is in SEO, on page SEO, off page SEO, what are these, you're gonna learn all of these from zero. And technical SEO as well, which is important. Yes, as I earlier mentioned, the proven strategies, not only for the website, even for the on page SEO, off page SEO, and the technical SEO. Even further about the niches, each and everything strategy in each method I'm gonna share. Next, HTML and CSS. You don't need to get worried about this. You don't need to learn the complete HTML and CSS. Even you don't need to learn HTML and CSS, just you need to know the basics of HTML and CSS. I'm going to share with you what basics we need, and in basics what we need to know about this HTML and CSS. So we are supposing here our course is complete. What after this course, what you gonna do? You can offer your services on freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork. Except this, you can create your own websites. You can all of these SEO services, blogging services, on-page services, office services you can offer on different social media, on Facebook and LinkedIn as well. You can create your own website. You can build your assets. If you want to do Amazon affiliate marketing and SEO for your own websites, you can do this after this course. Yes, set up your own websites, offer the services of each skill. On-page SEO is a skill, off-page SEO, technical SEO, content writing, SEO optimized content writing, all of these skills you can offer, and much more you will learn in this course, and all of them you can offer on different platforms. So this was the first video introduction of the course, what you're gonna learn in future. I hope you will like this video. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel or hit the bell icon so you will get all the updates of new upcoming videos. Thank you.